Hi friends, in the last video we covered what is method signature, who is going to use method signature, and important point related to method signature. Okay, well, so now the next concept, major concept, very important for the interview room, very important for day-to-day coding, overloading. What is the concept, sir? What is the concept? Overloading we require to discuss in detail, right? Can you please observe, when we say that two methods are said to be overloaded, sir, these two methods are called overloaded. When we say these two methods are said to be overloaded, sir, very simple. Have you observed, right? Here I have M1 method is there. M1 method is there. Sir, what is the argument? Is argument type? Argument is M1 of int. I have another method is there. What is the argument type? Long. Can you please observe these two things? Sir, method names are same. Method names are same, but argument types are different. Method names are same, but argument types are different. So when we say that two methods are said to be overloaded, if and only if both the methods having same name but different argument types. Okay, remember this one, same name but different argument types. Okay, what about return type? What about modifier? What about throws keyword? All that nonsense we are not required to worry. Of course, in detail we will discuss. So just at very top level, you people should be aware, when we say that two methods are said to be overloaded, if both methods having same name but different argument types. Okay, well, so now do you know in C language, C language is a method of overloading concept is available or not available? Not available, because C language is not object oriented. C language is not object oriented. That's why in C language overloading concept is not available. Okay, like that's why two methods with the same name under different argument types. So no such type of option. Are you getting? If you consider ABS method is there, sir. This ABS method is always applicable, sir, for int type. In C language there is one method is there named with ABS. ABS method is there. It is always applicable for int type. Sir, I want to find for long value, absolute value. For long type I want. So if the argument are changing, if the argument is changing, compulsory method name must be changed. Are you getting? Because two methods with the same name, different argument types is not allowed in C language. Not allowed in C, because overloading concept is not there. If there is a change in the argument type, compulsory we should go for new method. That's why what is the for long type, sir, which is the absolute method we require to use? LABS. Are you getting? Similarly, if the argument is float type, if the argument is float type, the method name is FABS. Are you getting? So how many ABS methods are there? For ABS default for int type, for long data type LABS, for float data type FABS, like that. Multiple ABS methods are available, because two methods with the same name but different argument types are not allowed. Then how many method names we have to remember? Yes, obviously for every type separate method name we have to remember. Complexity by default is going to be increased. Programming complexity is going to be increased, right? Remember. But in Java, are you getting? But in Java, we are not having any such type of complexity, sir. Because in Java, you can take same ABS method for int type, same ABS method for long type, same ABS method for float type also. Because in Java, we can take same name, multiple methods with the same name with the different argument types is allowed, which is nothing but method of overloading. Are you getting? This concept is nothing but what? Method overloading. Okay, sir, having method overloading concept in Java reduces complexity, because for every time we are not required to remember separate method, single method name we can use for any type of argument. Such a type of more flexibility you people can expect in Java, right? Are you able to understand? So really having overloading concept, is it advantage feature in Java or not? Yes, but in C language, do you know, if there is a change in the argument type, compulsory we should go for new method. Unnecessary complexity of programming is going to be increases. Clear? Now up to this, you people should aware only 2 points, right? When we say that two methods are said to be overloaded, both methods having same name but different argument types is called overloaded methods. Next, what is the biggest advantage of overloading? More flexibility to the programmer. We can use the same method name, even argument types are different, no problem at all. Complexity of programming is going to be reduced. Clear, right? Sir, I hope it's very clear for you what is when we say that two methods are said to be overloaded. Let me go for a small program so that you people can get much clarity. Observe that carefully, sir. I'm taking a class test. Have a look once, class test. And here public void M1 method I'm taking, sir. Observe, method name and argument types. Very important, more concentration must be required. Sir, here system.out.println, no arg method. Regarding SOP, no arg method. Similarly, public void M1 of int I. Public void M1 of int I. System.out.println int arg method. Regarding int arg method, right? Sir, now public void M1 method, public void M1 method of double D, sir. Double D system.out.println double arg method. Regarding double arg method, like this, right? Can you please confirm how many methods are available? Sir, M1 without any argument. M1 with the int type as the argument. M1 with the double type as the argument. Regarding total how many methods are there? 3 methods are there. Have you observed for all the 3 methods, method name is the same, M1. But the argument types are different. Here no argument, here int argument, here double argument. Can I use the word? All these things are by default considered as overloaded methods or not? Please confirm. All these methods are by default considered as overloaded methods or not? Yes, obviously these methods are said to be overloaded methods. Okay, well. Sir, now the important conclusion. Okay, what is the meaning of overloaded? Well, how the method resolution by default will be there, sir? Now let me write the main method in this class. Public static void main string array args. Observe very carefully, sir. Continuation, main method I'm writing. Now tester t is equal to new tester. Tester t is equal to new tester. Sir, now onwards orientation you require to habitize a new orientation, right? T is what type? Tester type. Reference type is the tester type. Runtime object is a tester type. Of course, here I am using only one class. Sometimes reference type may be different, runtime object type may be different. But as of now, here same reference object type is also same. Whenever we are calling t.m1, you are calling m1 without any argument and t. T is what types are? Tester type. T is what type? Tester type. That's why immediately tester class m1 method, no argument method is going to execute. So what is the output by default we are going to get, sir? No arg method. Okay, well. Now t dot m1 by passing 10. T dot m1 by passing 10. Sir, do you know you are calling m1 and t. T is what type? T is what type? Test type. In the tester class m1 method, which can take int type as the argument, this method is going to get in the chance. That's why int arg method will get the chance. Observe that. Similarly, do you know t dot m1, if I can take 10.5, if I can take 10.5, 10.5 is by default what type? Double type. Now, do you know m1 method which can take double as the argument? Now the corresponding method will get the chance. Observe that a bit very carefully. Sir, based on argument type, based on reference, automatically the corresponding method by default will be executed. So, I hope is the clear for all of you, right? Sir, let me execute up to this and then I will go for very important conclusion. Sir, observe carefully. Here have a look once. I have no arg method is available. Sir, first method no arg method, int arg method, and then what the last one? Double arg method. Like three methods are there, sir. Now the point is inside main method. Let me create an object. Test t is equal to new test I'm taking, sir. Test is equal to new test t dot m1. Are you getting t dot m1? Sir, have you observed? I'm calling no argument method. Then obviously which method is going to get in the chance, right? No arg method will get the chance. Observe that. Happily the code compiles fine. Now if I run this code, which method we will get the chance, sir? No arg method is getting the chance. Okay, well. Now t dot m1 of 10, sir. T dot m1 of 10. 10 means int value. 10 means int value, right? Now, which method is going to get in the chance, right? Int arg method by default will get the chance, right? Sir, which method is going to get in the chance? Int arg method will get the chance. Similarly, t dot m1 of 10.5. T dot m1 of 10.5. Sir, obviously double argument method will get the chance. The code compiles fine. What is that answer we are going to get? Double arg method we are going to get in the chance. So, please make sure you people should aware how to declare overloaded methods. Next, how you can call overloaded methods. It is a very clear, right? But from this example, one very important point we have to conclude, sir. In overloading, observe, T is what type? Please respond. Sir, you are calling M1 and T. T is what type? Test type. Runtime object is what type? Runtime object is what type? Test type. In overloading, method resolution means which method has to execute. That process is called method resolution, sir. In overloading, method resolution always takes care by compiler. Regarding who is the responsible, sir? In overloading, method resolution is always takes care by compiler based on reference type. Remember this one. But anyway, here reference type, runtime object type is the same. That's why you may not get much clarity from this example. But while next examples going on, somewhere definitely you people are going to get much clarity about this one, sir. But please make sure you people should aware, sir, in overloading, method resolution always takes care by compiler based on reference type, but not based on runtime object. Sir, it's always going to take care by compiler based on reference type. That's why overloading is also known as compile time polymorphism. Regarding what is this one, sir? Overloading is also known as compile time polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism or static polymorphism. Static polymorphism or early binding. Early binding. These are various other words for overloading. Regarding in overloading, method resolution is always takes care by compiler based on reference type. Regarding compiler based on reference type. That's why, so overloading is also known as compile time polymorphism or static polymorphism or early binding. Remember this one. Here, runtime object is the dummy and JVM is not responsible for method resolution. Compiler is responsible. But from this example, you are not going to get much clarity. But while examples going on, you people can get much clarity up to this. Are you able to get right? About this point, I will explain in detail in the next coming example. Somewhere you will get much clarity. Believe me, sir. That's all.